This is going to be an interesting video. Man, after I wash the wheels, those brakes are noisy. One of the most popular questions I get, hey, how much money do you make doing YouTube? Well, you're about to find out. I've been operating this channel since 2016. Started a YouTube channel because there wasn't a lot of videos about the car, at least not in the United States. So the burning question, do I make a lot of money doing this YouTube stuff? So let's get into some details. What is the highest earning video on my channel? Can you take a guess?
This is Holden's VE Commodore, or the Pontiac G8 here in the US.
So they made these from what, 08, 09? That's it, just 2 years, right?
Technically this is a 09 and a half.
09 and a half.
So we have pipes, headers.
Pipes and headers, okay.
Solo catback exhaust.
Solo catback exhaust, okay, nice.
Custom, all aluminum, one-piece drive shaft.
Ooh. F me. And again, breaking down the top earning videos, Rebecca's Lady Driven G8 video being the top earner at $38. Yeah, man. I am very proud of that. That's pretty awesome. You know, we had fun doing it, so it was definitely worth the effort, even though it's a small rev. That is the highest earning video at $38.05 lifetime. Lifetime, not month, not quarter, not year. That's lifetime. You got to factor in that I wasn't even earning money until I got 1,000 subscribers and 10,000 or 4,000 minutes. I can't remember what the threshold hit is, but you have to have so many thousands of minutes of watch time as well. I want to say 10,000 watch minutes and 1,000 subscribers before YouTube will even monetize your content. The top 5 earning videos were, of course, the Lady Driven G8 one at $38. Then the Chevy SS Debilitrack video at $32.27. And then number 3, the Chevy SS custom tube install video, where I did the Livernois Motorsports install, was at $25. And then number 4, Almost Got Caught Racing at $23.01. Nothing to write home about there. And then number 5 in 5th place was one of my personal favorites, driving the Camaro SS 1LE, earning $22.22 lifetime to date. Yeah. My least viewed video ever was the DJI Osmo Mobile Quick Look, where I was just showing my Osmo Mobile gimbal to my audience. How many views? Only 170. Woo! Clearly nobody gives a damn about the camera gear that I use, so I don't want to do too many of those. I'm not gonna put too much energy into that. Here we go. You ready for this? 99.7% of my audience is male. Shocker. No surprise there. The gender one is no surprise. Like I said, 99.7% male. So predominantly male. Most of them being the ages in between the ages of 25 and 34. You see that here being almost 43% of my mix. Where do my viewers live? And then the top country is, of course, the United States at 71%. Number 2 is Australia at 16%. And then 3rd place is Canada at only 1% of my viewing audience. And then the rest, to fill in the blanks, are just a mix of the UK, Europe, you know, Asia. Not very many. It's point, you know, blah, 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 5% or whatever it is. Now, a very interesting metric is how my audience is absorbing my content. How are they watching it? And what are they using to watch the content? So let's find out how my audience finds my content. If you look
under the Reach tab, which is here, you will see traffic source types and traffic source external. Now with traffic source types, this is lifetime reported again, as you can see up here in the upper right. 33.5% from suggested videos. Basically, what that means is these are views from suggestions appearing alongside or after other videos. So that's really cool. That means my content is pretty well SEO'd or search engine optimized, I think, based on this. Considering how small the channel is, it's got some good exposure out there, which is great. And that kind of lines up with the impressions here on the right. The impressions basically is where YouTube is recommending your content. In this case, 44.5%. Now I'd like to see 50% or more. That, I'd love to see more impressions, but I'm not going to complain for doing this very, very part-time. These metrics are pretty decent. And the second place for traffic source types is actual YouTube searching, 22%. This means people are actually using search terms to find your content or landing on your content. So again, that comes down to how you optimize with keywords and titles and description terminology as well, and tags too in your videos. And so this is very important to at least get more people landing on your channel. Now, let's look at the external sources of traffic, meaning not just within YouTube itself or through keywords. Here we go. Check this out. This external source traffic consists of about 11% of my total traffic. Not huge, but it is something to be very aware of. Here we go. ssforums.com is 36% of my external traffic sources. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. And then 16% of my external traffic source is from Facebook. Probably from all the times I post on Facebook. And then about almost 14% just from basic Google searches. So not bad. And then there is YouTube at 2%. And then there is Samsung Internet for Android, just a little over 0.5%. Really cool here is YouTube will show how your audience is absorbing your content or viewing your content. Here under device type, check this out down here. Mobile phone, computer, TV, tablet, and game console. Looking at the numbers, top 5, game console in 5th position, 3%. At tablets, 11.1%. TV, I'm assuming the smart TVs out there, yep, 11.3%, so really close to tablets. Really interesting, because you think with all the tablets out there, more people are watching my content on it, but maybe not. Maybe at least not my content. Computers, 26.1% of my audience are watching my channel on the computer. And the top device, no surprise here, folks, 48.1% of my audience watches my YouTube channel on their smartphone.
Now, I knew going in this wouldn't be a big money maker. Why? Well, it's not a very popular car, so not a lot of people search for it online. Because honestly, in the US, nobody really knows about them. It's growing in a little bit more popularity just because of time and existence around the car community, but it's still relatively unknown. Really, nobody knows about this car. The total lifetime revenue of the Red SS channel to date since 2016 is...
There is my estimated lifetime revenue, $833.26. Yeah, let's take a quick look. When I'm looking at my monthly estimated revenue in the last 6 months, you're looking at anywhere, from $44 in September, which is just last month, as high as $68 back in June of this year.
Just over $800, guys, in like 3+ years or whatever. Oh my gosh. This is a failing business if this was to be a business. This, like I said, you know, I started this really just because there's not a lot of videos. Didn't do it to make money. It's a hobby. It's fun.
So now you know the total lifetime revenue to date, but I haven't told you where this revenue is generated. The revenue for my channel is generated through ads. All the ads you see on my videos and in many YouTube videos are ads placed by businesses who pay for those ads, okay? And that revenue is shared with YouTube and the content creator, and that's how we make money. Great example, look at number 1, skippable video ads. This is probably the most common one I see all the time. And you'll see where in 5 seconds you can skip the ad. Well, we're all guilty of skipping the ads, right? I will ask you one favor. Please don't skip my ads. Not my ads, but the advertiser's ads. Let it play out. If you have just a few extra seconds, please let it play out. The reason why, it actually generates more revenue. Okay? Maybe just a little bit per video, but imagine if all my viewers and subscribers, if they just let it all play out, that just adds up. The ad revenue just adds up. So let the ads play out if you can, please. And another thing I discovered is that you can place 2 or more ad breaks in your videos if your video is 10 minutes or longer. So take that piece of advice as well if you're hoping to start a YouTube channel.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please, please keep watching. I hope to keep making more videos. And thank you so much for the support the last few years. It's been fun so far. Looking forward to more content and more entertainment. Take care, guys.